Have you ever tried crispy caramelized apple toast? I will show you how to make and serve it 3 ways. Peel and core 2 apples. Cube the apples into 1/2 inch pieces. Into a pan, add 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir to combine. Add the apples. Cover and simmer over medium heat. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cook until the apples are caramelized. Add a pinch of salt. Dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch in a little water and add to the pan. Stir to combine. Set aside to cool. Remove the crust from the bread slices. Roll the slices with a rolling pin. Add the apple to the center of the bread. Add egg wash to seal the edges. Crimp with a fork. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan over medium heat. Fry the apple triangles and squares to golden brown. I personally like crust. I take 2 slices of rolled out bread. Add the apple, seal the edges, and fry golden brown. I add a dollop of yogurt.